Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and our workshop gets a lot of heavy duty use, so we were looking for a really strong and durable paper towel dispenser. This one is from Extreme Max and we absolutely love it. So we have several of the Extreme Max products and they are so nice. They are really well made, super strong, super durable, and made from really strong materials. So they're definitely going to last and put up with extreme and repeated use no matter where you put them. So we have them here in our workshop, which gets a ton of use, and things tend to get really beat up in here, so we definitely needed something that could handle a beating. This is the silver version of this product, but you can also get it in black. It's really nice because it holds a paper towel roll, or you could even put a towel over that bar, but we find using this roll of shop towels is perfect in this situation. It's got pre-drilled holes for mounting, and it was super simple to do, and it's very secure and sturdy. It's got a tray up at the top that is open, so you can easily put your soap up there or other items that you want to be close by to your sink. So that's really handy and keeps everything nice and organized. This holder is made from aluminum, so it's lightweight but really durable, and it really definitely adds to the shop feel in here, looking sort of industrial. This is perfect in our workshop, but would also be great in a trailer or an RV or anywhere that you need a really heavy duty and sturdy paper towel holder with storage. So really happy with this product, would definitely recommend it. That's my point of view.